Hi there, I welcome you all to the part 2 video on COVID-19 and its vaccines. In previous video, we have seen what is a COVID-19, how did it spread and how dangerous the disease is. In this video, we are going to see what are the vaccines, how can you escape it. So let's begin. So how can you escape from it? Clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. And below is a screenshot of the WHO website where you can see the advice for public on coronavirus pandemic. So here you can see a lot of information given which will help you to escape from this dangerous disease. So after all hearing how to escape from it, you might be wondering whether there is a vaccine for it. Yes, so what is a vaccine? A substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against one or several diseases is called a vaccine. After a coronavirus was isolated in December 2019, its genetic sequence was published on 11th January 2020, triggering an urgent international response to prepare for an outbreak and hasten development of a preventive COVID-19 vaccine. On June 24, 2020, China approved the CanSino vaccine for limited use in the military and two inactivated virus vaccines for emergency use in high occupations. On 11th August 2020, Russia announced the approval of its Sputnik V vaccine for emergency use. Though 1 month later, only a small amount of vaccine has been distributed for use outside of phase 3 trial. On December 2020, UK was the first country to approve Pfizer BioNTech. After that, many countries started approving this vaccine. So, what are the vaccines in India? On 16 January 2021, India started its national vaccination program against the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which has caused the COVID-19 pandemic, with vaccine named Covishield. Firstly, Pune-based Serum Institute of India announced that it would apply for clinical trials of certain strains from Drug Controller General of India or DCGI in April 2020. However, it was not effective on 30% of people. In July, ICMR was preparing to launch BBV152 vaccine or Covaxin by Bharat Biotech, which is a Hyderabad-based company. India's first COVID-19 vaccine on 15th August following its ongoing human trials in July. In January 2021, Secretary General of United Nations Antonio Guterres said that India's vaccine production capacity is the best asset the world has, and that's something that we should be proud of. According to the health officials, India has administered 14,854,136 vaccine doses across the country as of March 1, 2021. The national vaccination drive began on 16 January 2021 across 3,006 vaccination centers. Each vaccination center will offer either Covishield or Covaxin, but not both. Some states have decided to use only Covishield as the default option and keep their Covaxin doses as a buffer stock. The vaccination in India was carried out in 3 phases. So, in the below screenshot, you can see the vaccines approval progress, doses offered, approval, deployment, and this courtesy is from Wikipedia. So how can you apply for vaccination in India? So these are the steps given by the Government of India for vaccination. So you have to register on this website with your mobile number and acceptable documents. Then log into the website. Schedule an appointment or nearest vaccination center. Receive a confirmation SMS. Go to the vaccination location on the scheduled day and time and get vaccinated. Get dose 2 of the vaccination, which will be scheduled automatically by the platform. With this, I will end this video. I hope you would have got a valuable information on what is COVID-19, how it spread, and how can you escape from it, as well as the vaccines available. So in the next video I will meet you with a new information. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any comments or any doubts, you are free to comment below. Thank you.